Welcome to the topic on custom validators and async validators. And form validation is a critical aspect of web development, ensuring data integrity and a smooth user experience. While Angular provides a comprehensive set of built-in validators, there are scenarios where we need to implement custom validation logic or perform asynchronous validation tasks. In this topic, we'll explore custom validators and async validators in Angular, empowering you to create sophisticated and user-friendly forms. 1. Custom validators. Custom validators are functions that we define to implement validation logic tailored to our application. These validators take a form control as input and return an object with validation errors if the control's value is invalid or null if the value is valid. By creating custom validators, we can enforce complex validation rules that are not covered by Angular's built-in validators. 2. Using custom validators. Once we have defined a custom validator, we can use it to validate individual form controls or form groups. We can add our custom validator to the list of validators for a specific form control using the setValidators method. If we want to validate a form group, we can add the custom validator to the list of validators for the entire form group. Else's and vice per. 3. Async validators. In some cases, we might need to perform asynchronous validation tasks, such as checking if a username is available on the server. Async validators return a promise or observable that resolves to validation errors if the control's value is invalid, or null if the value is valid. Angular will wait for the promise to resolve or the observable to emit a value before considering the control's validity. Summary: Custom validators and async validators offer powerful means to implement application-specific validation logic and handle asynchronous validation tasks. By leveraging these features, we can create sophisticated and user-friendly forms that ensure data integrity and improve the user experience. In this topic, we explored creating custom validators and using them with form controls and form groups. Additionally, we delved into the world of async validators, essential for performing asynchronous validation tasks. As you continue your Angular journey, keep these powerful validation tools in mind to build exceptional forms for your applications.